agro-industrial complex Maksimovskiy is a dynamically developing enterprise that specializes in pig breeding. In terms of the high standard of equipment and technology employed, there are no peers to agro-industrial complex Maksimovskiy in the Republic of Bashkortostan. The high quality of Maksimovskiy's meat is delivered by a unique approach to pork production. Our main near-term goal is complete import substitution. Thereby, we seek to contribute to ensuring food security of the nation. We will strive to replace imported pork in retail outlets and in the high-quality domestic meat processing production. In 2008, we began work on the pig breeding complex. Within a year, a centralized operation control system included dwelling sheds for sows, a separate zone for boars, an artificial insemination zone, a maternity ward, and a piglet growing shed. These sections are all connected by warm galleries and passages. During the designing stage, we used expertise from leaders in the field, visited many companies in various countries. The design was adapted to the climatic conditions of the Russian Federation. The design proved optimal to meet the requirements set for modern pig breeding complexes. The pig breeding facilities at Maksimovskiy are kept at a maximum level of cleanliness and ecologically and hygienically faultless. This ensures that consumers will find top quality meat and meat products on their tables. Complete integration of production from feed production to breed to slaughtering provides us with control over the quality of the final pork meat sold. Manual labor has been minimized, with computers controlling every stage of pig breeding. The process of forage and water delivery is completely automated. Sensors maintain optimal temperature, lighting, and humidity for the animals. All the utilized technologies are meant to achieve the utmost efficiency in production. One of the main benefits of the Maksimovskiy farm has been a reduction in the duration of fattening per pig from 8 to 6 months. Minimal mortality rates have been achieved. Highly productive boars are the pride of our enterprise. The boars are imported from France. A single boar weighs over 400 kilograms. Their crosses with Danish sows yield tremendous results. Biosecurity is a top priority, which is why the personnel are accessed to the premises with the animals only after passing through sanitization in a shower room. Every day the personnel put on all clean clothes and overalls. To accommodate this, the farm houses a dry cleaning unit. Any machines, equipment and materials that are brought inside the complex go through a sanitization barrier. Specially designed floors make it possible to keep the animals clean and comfortable. Such an approach protects the animals from any infection. The high standards of veterinary control are applied to each animal. Specialists define the most favorable time for insemination of a sow with up-to-date precision. To be sure of an onset of pregnancy, each sow undergoes ultrasonic scanning. To accommodate this, specialized mobile equipment is available at the farm. Insemination of the animals occurs in an artificial manner. The quality of the seminal material taken from a bull is immediately checked in the laboratory. The sperm is filled in packages convenient for keeping and is used within 24 hours. The Maksimovskiy reproducer is designed to accommodate 2,000 sows. One sow delivers 26 piglets a year. Interestingly, a pig's pregnancy lasts 3 months, 3 weeks and 3 days. Piglets are raised to be 3 months old. Thereafter, they are transferred to the fattening site located in Birsk region of the Republic of Bashkortostan. The taste of pork is directly related to nutrition of the animals. At Maksimovskiy, pigs receive natural and content-balanced locally produced mixed fodder containing no chemical additives or genetically modified product. The strictest approach to fodder content makes the consumer confident that the quality of Maksimovskiy meat is of the highest order. Maksimovskiy meat contains no stress hormones. It is differentiated as being very lean. It is unique in that the taste of the pork is not different from that of a suckling piglet. We're on the territory of the fattening site of the Maksimovskiy pig breeding complex located in Belsk region of the Republic of Bashkortostan. And here there are 15 fattening sections where pigs are kept for 3 months until they're ready for slaughter. Thanks to their excellent genetics, the pigs put on nearly 1 kilogram per day to gain the required 110 kilograms within only 6 months. Balanced feed composition and a humane process of animal rearing make Maksimovskiy pork of excellent quality. Significant financial resources, several hundred millions of rubles, were used to commission the pig breeding complex. This capital was used to acquire imported equipment as well as the design, construction and installation work, simply put, for creation of the most up-to-date and high-quality conditions for the development of pig breeding. At the moment, agro-industrial complex Maksimovskiy is completing the first stage of a large-scale project. It involves the Maksimovskiy pig breeding complex, consisting of a reproducer at Maksimovka and a fattening site in the settlement of Asinovka in Belsk region, a slaughterhouse and primary pork processing, as well as 2 pig breeding complexes in Orgazinsky and Sterlitamak regions. The first stage will yield total production of over $100 million per year. The income stands at a level of $40 million per year and the EBITDA profit margin 40%. The realization of the second stage is planned for the years 2012-2013, with a net profit margin projected to reach $100 million per year. For the realization of the second stage, we don't only plan to reconstruct existing complexes, but also to build new ones. In Belsk region, we are planning and have started the reconstruction of a slaughterhouse with a capacity of 120 heads an hour. This is going to be a highly modern complex that we are actuating with support of the governments of the Republic of Bashkortostan, Russian Federation, as well as overseas partners rendering technical assistance. In the conceptual future, it is planned to set up a genetic center for rearing pedigree herds of pigs, as well as to set up a training center for the personnel of pig breeding enterprises. In order to feed a considerable number of animals, the company plans to build our own feed mill. Its objective is to provide cheap and quality feedstuffs for the animals. Maksimovskiy utilizes the latest business management approaches in taking care of its consumers, employees, and the society as a whole. Its activities are based on ecological compatibility and energy-saving measures, high technological culture, and responsibility for each stage of production. Our goal is to supply wholesale and retail markets with meat. Our consumers are meat processing factories located inside and outside Bashkiria, restaurant and cafe chains, as well as consumer food retail points. Our task is to produce meat of the highest quality. It is already evident that agro-industrial complex Maksimovskiy is an undoubted leader in pig breeding in the Republic of Bashkortostan and is one of the best in Russia. The company's management and operational shareholders have no doubt that the company is sure to hit the targets it has set.